Hello students, in previous classes we have discussed about Dabarnir law of triads and Newland's law of factors. Now we are going to discuss about periodic law or Mendeleev's periodic law. Periodic law or Mendeleev's periodic law. Dabarnir initiated the study of periodic and Mendeleev was responsible for the first time publishing the periodic law. What it states that, see here, properties of the elements are periodic functions of their atomic weights. Properties of elements are periodic functions of their atomic weights. What is meant by properties? Here, properties are classified into two types: physical properties and chemical properties. Physical properties means melting point, boiling point, and density, which are considered as physical properties. Chemical properties means what is the reactivity of an element with other element is said to be chemical reactivity. The physical and chemical properties of elements are periodic functions. What is meant by periodic? Appearing at regular intervals is said to be periodic of their atomic weights. That means physical and chemical properties of elements are the periodic, that means appearing at regular intervals based on their atomic weights. It is said to be periodic law or Mendeleev's periodic law. Here some of the important points are there. See once. Mendeleev arranged the elements in horizontal rows and vertical columns. Mendeleev arranged the elements in horizontal rows and vertical columns in increasing order of their atomic weights. In such a way, the elements which have the similar properties will take place in a vertical column or group. Once again, here Mendeleev arranged the elements in horizontal rows and vertical columns in increasing order of their atomic weights. In such a way, the elements which have the similar properties will take place in a vertical column or group. And another point is, Mendeleev scheme of classification is more elaborated than that of Lothar-Meyer's. Once again, Mendeleev's scheme of classification is more elaborated than that of Lothar-Meyer's classification. Here, next point. He fully recognized the significance of periodicity. He fully recognized the significance of periodicity and used physical and chemical properties to classify the elements. Okay, once again, he fully recognized the significance of periodicity and used the physical and chemical properties to classify the elements. Next point, he realized that some of the elements did not fit when we strictly followed the atomic weight. Once again, here he realized that some of the elements did not fit in the periodic table when we strictly followed the atomic weight. According to periodic law, here for example take 6th A group elements and 7th A group element, that is tellurium and iodine. Tellurium has the atomic weight 127 and iodine has atomic weight 126. According to atomic weights, iodine takes place here 6th group, but and tellurium takes place in 7th group. But here based on their similar properties of iodine along with halogens, that are fluorine, chlorine, bromine, it is existed or it is placed along with halogens in 7th A group, and tellurium is placed in the 6th group. Because of iodine has the similar properties when compared to the remaining halogens, that are fluorine, chlorine, bromine in 7th A group. So that's why here he neglected the atomic weight of the iodine, which is lower than that of tellurium. And tellurium, according to physical and chemical properties, similar properties to the remaining 6th A group elements. So that's why it is existed in the group 6th A group. And here the Mendeleev, his primary aim is to arrange the elements in the periodic table. In that time, all elements are not yet discovered. So that's why he left several gaps in the periodic table. In that, some several gaps were left. After that, discover, and he assumed that he gave a name to the elements under the aluminum and silicon. In that time, it is named as which eka aluminum and eka silicon. Eka aluminum and eka silicon. After the discovering of the new elements in future, it is named as gallium and germanium. After discovering the elements, whatever Mendeleev left the gaps to the discovering future elements, it is named as gallium and germanium. Here Mendeleev not only estimated the features of discovering elements but also estimated the physical and chemical properties of the elements which are similar to those experimentally proved after that. So that's why here Mendeleev was very famous for his periodic table, and he quantitative predictions and eventual success. Mendeleev was very famous, and Mendeleev's periodic table was published in 1905. Hello students, now we are going to discuss about modern periodic law. Modern periodic law. Here already we discussed periodic law. What says that? Periodic law: physical and chemical properties of the elements are periodic functions of their atomic weights. Here what says that? See, modern periodic law. Here the scientist name was Henry Moseley. The scientist name was Henry Moseley did an experiment by using spectroscopic X-rays. By using spectroscopic X-rays, in that we take square root mu, that means frequency versus atomic number. Frequency versus atomic number. In that case, he observed a straight line in graph. Once again, here we take square root mu, that means frequency versus atomic number. In that case, he observed a straight line in the graph. In second case, we take square root mu, that means frequency versus atomic weight. In that time, he observed a curved line. Based on this experiment, he said that atomic number is more fundamental property. Atomic number is fundamental property when compared to the atomic weight. So that's why, according to him, he modified the Mendeleev's periodic law or periodic law, that is said to be modern periodic law. What says that? See here, physical and chemical properties of the elements are periodic functions of their atomic numbers. Once again, physical and chemical properties of the elements are periodic functions of their atomic numbers. Here we are using the word atomic numbers instead of atomic weight, because here atomic numbers, when we are arrange the elements in increasing order of their atomic weights, we observe a case in the example iodine and tellurium. So that's why, according to modern periodic law, we are said that physical and chemical properties of the elements are periodic functions of their atomic numbers. It is said to be modern periodic law.